There's not really much to talk about with this one. You already seen everything you need to see about it. I suppose the biggest thing is just how big of a difference there is between the Regent BR9 that I did and this belt buckle. The design is a lot more, it just looks more like bold, I guess. Looks a lot nicer. I switched up the ends of it. The ends don't have that little hook thing anymore. They have more of a ball shape, which I tried out on this and I really like the way that that looks. The belt buckle is also a bit more polished up and shiny, so comparing it to the gun, if the gun would have been a bit more polished up, I think it would have looked a bit better, but I also made a lot better use of the small spaces on this. If you look at the small spaces on the gun, there were a couple spots where which, you know, live and learn doing it like that, but I could have made a lot better use of that small space than I did, which I made that mistake on my own gun, thankfully. And now I know. And then I took everything that I learned from doing my gun and I applied it to this belt buckle, and honestly, it kind of surprised me. I knew what I was doing the whole time, like I could see it when I was doing it, but I didn't think it was going to end up looking this good. The shading came a long way, the design came a long way. It looks a lot more full, kind of like blooming and everything. So